All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. Here's the boat. Shining, son. Got an Evinrude 200 horsepower, 2-stroke. Pretty nice boat, man. Got the Lawrence HDS up here. Pretty slick boat, man. I'm very blessed to have this thing, but just want to show you all this. Got so much room to walk on. My other little boat, I fell out of it I don't know how many times and had like a white container I'd sit with all my baits. So I've got all of my baits in here, storage for the rods, and I'm just excited, man. I prayed for this and now it's here. So gonna put this thing in the water and hopefully not sink it. Test it out. All right, guys, I'm on a fish. My GoPro wasn't on. Good smallmouth. Really good smallmouth. Boat flipping. Woo! There we go, boys. On this umbrella rig. It's all about patience. Thank you, Lord.
It's pretty good smallmouth.
I got the first fish in the Ranger boat. This is my first fish. Pretty good smallmouth, man. I'm gonna say it's two and some change. I caught it on my umbrella rig, and this umbrella rig, you're only allowed to have 3 baits on it. And I slung it on a rock wall, and I just let it hit the bottom, and then I had very good patience, and I was just sitting there reeling, and he hit it. So first fish on the umbrella rig and in the new boat. The boat's driving good, so hooked up with a pretty good smallmouth here. If I can get him in the boat. My GoPro's off. Oh my gosh, good smallmouth. On that crankbait, boy. Woo! Look there, he choked it too. Oh my goodness. I told Braden, I was like, dude, I've got a big one on, and my GoPro was off. And he just now got it. I mean, he crushed it, dude. Ah, good fish, man. Good fish on this crankbait. Get it out. Them hooks are sharp too. Look at this fish. Awesome. I was throwing it on this point back here, and I would just reel crank, and boom, he hit it. All right, guys, we're going to release this big old fatty. Big old fatty. I mean, a bruiser. Look at that. That's a good smallmouth. Yes, sir. There we go. Look, got him. What'd I tell you about that point? Told you. There we go, boys. What'd I tell you about the point? Well, we finally got one on camera. Small one. All right, guys. Third smallmouth. Caught it on the A-rig again. Pretty good. I'm telling you, they're healthy, man. All 3 fish that I've caught today, 3 good smallmouth. They've all been on a point or a rock wall thrown an A-rig. I mean, just healthy fish. Chunky, the tail on it's out. I'm gonna release it here. You can get him out there and see what he does. Third fish. And now it's the evening. Sun's about to start going down. I will say the next 30 or 40 minutes. Hopefully we can catch a pretty big fish. I feel like we're leading up to something. Got him. Good fish. Gosh. Good fish. Please. Woo! On that crankbait, baby. Yes, sir. This crankbait is unreal. That's all I've got to say. On that crankbait, Jewel, bruh. Got him. Another. Oh my goodness. There we go, boys. On that red crankbait, baby. I'm telling y'all. On the red crankbait, boys. I'm just throwing. This is like a sandy point, man. It's just coming out and this water is just pushing. I guess it's just pushing bait right up through here. Third, fourth fish. Pretty good fish. Is that a new swim bait? Got him. Another fish. Right off that ledge, boys. My goodness. He's right there. I'm telling you. Just burn it up. I mean, they're right there. There we go, guys. I mean, this crankbait is on fire. This wind's blowing. I'm catching them right in front of the... You got him? Ethan's got one now, son. There we go, baby. There we go, son.
All you gotta do is yank.
I know. We just doubled up. That wind is just sparking them. Oh, got it. I got a hit. Got it. There he is. There he is, boy. Little smallmouth, I think. Spot. On the spot on this
Hey, you come up
spinner bait. Alright guys, this is the biggest fish of the day. I've had it in the live well. We took a few pictures. Dude, we got on a pretty good school of fish, but I caught it on this red crankbait. That crankbait and the rest of my fish, man, have just been on that spinner bait. I've got a electric shad Kitech swim bait as a trailer. Caught a bunch of small ones, but I've not really got that big bite. But that red crankbait, man, I think it dives like 5 to 7 foot, and I caught this one and like 4 or 5 others on that little sandbar point. The wind was kind of blowing shad up on it, but good fish. Gonna take a few pictures and release it. All right, guys, we're about to release her. I think she's ready to go. See what she does. There she goes. There she goes.